My name is Larry Rockamora, and I've had the honor of serving as chair of the North Carolina State Bar Board of Legal Specialization for the past 2 years. On behalf of the board, I would like to welcome you to this special video tribute as we honor and celebrate our newest board certified specialists and those specialists who have been certified for 25 and 30 years. As you know, we have historically celebrated together in person at the annual specialization lunch. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we were unable to host our luncheon in 2020 and in 2021. We wish we could be with you for this moment, but we could not let another year go by without publicly recognizing the significant achievements of so many incredible lawyers. Before we begin, I want to take this opportunity to recognize our specialty committees. The specialists who serve on the board's various specialty committees are vital to the certification program. The specialty committees write the standards for their specialty, vet all applications for certification and recertification, draft and grade the certification exams, and make certification recommendations to the board on applications. We currently have 14 specialty committees with a total of 99 specialists who volunteer extraordinary amounts of time and talent to the specialization program. It is one of the largest volunteer efforts of the State Bar, and quite simply, we wouldn't have a specialization program without the dedication and hard work of these fine lawyers. I'm delighted to have this opportunity to recognize these specialists for all they do on our behalf. On behalf of the board and all of North Carolina certified specialists, thank you for your time, your efforts, and your dedication to the public through our specialization program. And now to our program. The North Carolina Board of Legal Specialization was established by North Carolina State Bar Council over 30 years ago for the purpose of protecting the public by identifying to the public lawyers who have demonstrated particular proficiency in their practice area, and to raise the bar for both themselves and their profession by adhering to the strict requirements in continuing legal education, a substantial involvement in their practice areas. We currently have over 1,100 North Carolina certified specialists from across the state, serving in communities large and small as solo practitioners, public interest attorneys, and members of large law firms. Our specialists offer different experience with a mix of lawyers who have practiced law from 6 years to 40 plus years. However, in all the ways they differ, all specialists share a dedication to their practice areas, the respect of their peers, and a strong desire to better serve their communities. We are thrilled to recognize the accomplishment of our specialists over the past 2 years. Those who have reached the significant milestones of 30 years and 25 years of specialty certification, as well as those who recently obtained their certification in their respective practice areas. We are honored to have State Bar President Barbara Christy and State Bar President-elect Darren Jordan, both of whom are specialists in their own right, join us to recognize these impressive individuals.
My name is Barbara Christy, and I am currently president of the North Carolina State Bar. I practice with the firm of Shell Bray in Greensboro, and I am a specialist in commercial real property law. And on behalf of the entire State Bar Council, I want to offer my sincere congratulations and appreciation for the group of specialists who have maintained their specialty certifications for 30 years. I wish we were able to recognize you in the manner that you deserve, but as that's not possible at this time, please accept this virtual thank you. As I read through this list, saw many names I know, well known as leaders in the law. The legal profession and the people of North Carolina are all the better because of your dedication to your practice areas, your communities, and the specialization program. In the year 2020, the following individuals reached the significant milestone of 30 years of specialty certification. In bankruptcy law, Christine Myatt. In estate planning and probate law, Deborah L. Foster. In family law, David M. Kern and Alan R. Krusch. The following individuals reached this milestone in the year 2021. In bankruptcy law, Marjorie K. Lynch and John A. Northern. In criminal law, Joseph B. Cheshire V, Locke T. Clifford, George V. Lawford, Thomas C. Manning, and Eben T. Rawls III. In estate planning and probate law, Robert D. Henshaw and Martha Taylor Pedrick. And in family law, Lynn Pierce Burleson, Barbara R. Morgenstern, Robin J. Stinson, Rose H. Stout, and Kenneth A. Shanklin. Again, a hearty congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
My name is Darren Jordan, and I serve as president-elect of the North Carolina State Bar. I practice in the law firm of Whitley, Jordan, and Inge in Salisbury, and I'm a specialist in state criminal law. On behalf of the North Carolina State Bar Council, I want to offer my sincere congratulations to and appreciation for the group of specialists who have maintained their specialty certifications for 25 years. Your dedication to the public and the profession through the specialization program is impressive, admirable, and inspirational to your peers. Thank you for your long-standing commitment to serving and improving our profession, our communities, and perhaps most importantly, the lives of your clients through your distinguished law practice. The following individuals have reached a significant milestone of 25 years of specialty certification in the year of 2020. In bankruptcy law, I'd like to congratulate Charles M. Ivy III. In criminal law, I'd like to congratulate Christopher A. Conley, R.M. Ross Holland, Charles A. Lloyd, and Walter H. Paramore III. In estate planning and probate law, I'd like to congratulate Michael S. Batts, Stuart Dorset, W. Woods Doster, E. William Kratt, and Larry H. Rockamore. In family law, I'd like to congratulate Shelby D. Benton, D. Jeffries Rogers, and William C. Tucker. And in real property law, I'd like to congratulate Alan G. Carpenter, Nancy M. Guyton, and John M. Harris. The following individuals have reached a significant milestone of 25 years of specialty certification in the year 2021. In bankruptcy law, I'd like to congratulate Everett B. Saslow, Sarah F. Sparrow. In criminal law, I'd like to congratulate William G. Causey, J. Clark Fisher, Robert E. Hensley, and Carl E. Knudsen. In estate planning and probate law, I'd like to congratulate Paul M. Haddenhauer, Deborah L. Hildebrand Boshofen, John Huggard, Sean A. Ingersoll, Gordon W. Jenkins, Rudy L. Ogburn, Michael Schultz, and Jack E. Thornton. In family law, I'd like to congratulate Eugene M. Carr, Charles W. Cotrain, Carolyn B. Ingram, Edward S. Shapik, and Richard D. Stevens. And finally, in real property law, I'd like to congratulate William G. Bergen III, T. Carlton Knight, and Franklin E. Martin. Thank you all for your dedication to the public and the profession through specialization, and congratulations on this impressive accomplishment.
Now that we have recognized our lawyers who have helped mold the program into what it is, we are honored to recognize the lawyers who now have the opportunity to contribute to the future of the program. These lawyers have fulfilled all the requirements to become board certified specialists and were so designated by the board in 2019 and 2020. On behalf of the board, I offer my sincere congratulations to our new specialists. Your pursuit of certification, particularly in the midst of a global pandemic, is an inspiration to us all. In 2019, the board certified the following individuals in their respective practice areas: Federal and state criminal law, Jim Malo; state criminal law, Keith Gordon, Christopher Heaney, Matthew Leach, Norman Post, Robert Roop, Jacob Smith. In elder law, Marjorie Brown and Jennifer Roden. In estate planning and probate, Charles Davis, Debbie McDermott, Matthew McGonigal, Jeffrey Morris, Jason Page. In family law, Rachel Beard, Ashley Callahan, Catherine Fisher, Richard Gant, Katie Gilbert, Jordan Griffin, Jennifer Hammond, Brett Holliday, Caroline Mitchell, Kelly Smith, and Rebecca Yoder. Privacy and information security law, Shannon Rowledge. Commercial real property law, Randy Herman. Social security disability law, Christine Burnside and Will Snyder. Trademark law, Philip Cardinale. Worker compensation law, David Galbetti, Anna Hamrick, Juan Sanchez, Jennifer Signeri, Bo Wilder. In 2020, the board certified the following individuals in their respective areas. For appellate practice, Daniel Blau and Rebecca Watts. Federal state criminal law, Marshall Ellis. State criminal law, Robert Brooks, Scott Gaynor, Allison Guerin, Malaya Kimry, Aaron Raymond Lee, A. Michelle Lippert, Scott Lippert, Karen McManus, Kimberly Pellini, and Kaylee Tabor. In estate planning and probate, John Forneras and Candace Manaras. In family law, Courtney Carter and Tasia Cowan, James Davis, Stephen Epstein, Candace Faircloth, Aaron Graber, Derek Hensley, Christopher Hilscher, Jay Jurgens, Carolyn Kruger-Andis, Anna LeBlanc, Kyle LeBlanc, Ashley Lawrence, Stephanie Ross, Joseph Schmitz, Jessica Walters, and Mallory Willink. In immigration law, Anna Cushman, Nan Douglas, Nitin Goyal, Robert Lamb, George Pardo. In privacy and information security law, Sarah Hutchins and Clark Walton. Workers' compensation law, Elisa Allen, K. Gregory Gunter, Josh Smith, and Dennis Volkov. This concludes our program. Congratulations, and once again to our new specialists, our 25-year specialists and our 30-year specialists. Thank you for joining the Board of Legal Specialization as we honor and celebrate our specialists throughout the state.